Okay, so once you have the drone on, that's when the real fun begins and you've passed your test. So tap and then hold down to turn on the controller. So once it's on, there we go. It'll connect to the drone. You'll be able to see through the camera there. And there are a few different things you'll see on here. First of all, it's going to say takeoff permitted. So at the top, approximately here, it says takeoff permitted. And that means that you are in a safe fly zone. So it uses GPS. You can see here it's connected to 21 different satellites. So to control the drone, which I'm not going to have it take off yet, when you push up on the left stick, that means it's going to go up. When you push down, it's going to go down. And then when you push the right, it's going to turn to the right. And then when you push left, it's going to turn to the left. This is where it's actually going to be moving directions. So you push forward, it's going to go forward according to the drone, right? So the front of the drone is going to go forward. This is going to go backwards. That's going to go to the side, and that's going to the left side, and that's going to go to the right side, all according to where the camera's facing, because that's the front. So to take off, you tap this button on the screen, little up arrow, hit normal mode, that's fine. And then you're going to hold down the takeoff button and then let go, it'll take off. And there it goes. Okay. Let's see, can you see that? Yeah. All right. So again, if I want to go up, I can do that. See, down, it'll go down. If I want to turn it left to look over at back, there's back on the screen, it'll do that. I can keep turning it and it'll look at me. There I am, right? I can turn it all the way around again. Okay, so then if I want it to go to the left, do that. If I want it to go to the right, we can do that. If I want it to come back towards me, which I better be careful about that right now, it's about a little over head height, I can do that. If I want it to go forward, I can do that. Okay, so you can play around with it doing that. You can go up a little bit higher if you want. Whatever you want to do. Okay, now to land, you're gonna tap this little button right there that says home. See, this comes up with land. Just hold down on that. Once it's all green, let go, and it will land. Ta-da! There you go. To take pictures, by the way, there are buttons up at the top. They're the easiest. This is record. So you'll hit record on that. And you can see, like on an iPhone over there, it looks like it's recording. Hit that again to turn it off. You can hit this one to take pictures. Now it's switched to picture mode, and you can snap pictures.